What's up, y'all? So I am back. Just want to wrap this up before lunch. So I'm really looking at a couple of levels today. So again, I was live earlier, so you guys probably some people, if you want to go back and watch that, just kind of get some overall ideas on where we think the market's going to go. So currently, I'm in a position. I'm on micro MNQ, 7 contracts deep. I am currently up 15 on the trade, but I'm down in the day. So I'm pretty much about break even, right, at this point. My targets for the day are, um, well, really a couple of levels. I want to see if we can get back into this overall new week opening gap, and essentially a new week opening gap is when the market opens up, it leaves a gap at the beginning between where the market closed on Sunday, right? So that high, or sorry, where the market closed on Friday and where it opened up on Sunday. If you look closely, you could see it's a little off. It's right there. That's our open on Sunday. This is our close on Friday, right? 4:59 on Sunday to 6 p.m. Sorry, 4:59 on Friday, our 6 p.m. open on Sunday. Y'all know what I mean. So I'm gonna drop this link in the chat so everybody can join if they want to. If you're on here, just drop a comment and let me know that you can hear me. Um, Brinks trades. Let me share this. So I'm looking at a couple targets. See if we can get all the way back up here. If we do, this will be like the best case scenario for the day. Really great day. The second level that I'm looking at, and I know this is crazy. I'm gonna jump up a couple time frames because it's a lot here. The second level that I'm looking at is really just the high of London. Um, Again, this is an area where I think there's going to be a lot of buy side liquidity resting. We've really been consolidating underneath this. I wouldn't be surprised if we went up, swept this, and then kept going back downward. That's like my easiest scenario here that I think the market can run to. And then the middle ground is just like these like fair value gaps that are in between the high and the run here. So we're either gonna run up here or London is my overarching target. So that's where I'm thinking. So just for context, I'm gonna be here manually, but what I want to do is move my stop up. If we take this high, I want to move my stop up to an area that I think it will respect. But this is just basically what happens in Monday in consolidated trading. I wouldn't be surprised if we close out the session by maybe attacking the high there. So we have this huge wick that we formed trading lower. This is why I don't think we're going to run lower, because we spent a lot of time working the lows here. And for us to not even take London high, like I can see if we don't get all the way up to the high of Asia, but for us to even not take London high is kind of crazy. So um, I just want to see if we can take that high, and I probably will exit there. Just one of the things that when it comes to trading is that I also get very antsy, right? And so you're managing not only the trade position itself, but your emotions. And so again, knowing who you are as a trader, knowing your tolerance level for being in trades that go sideways for long periods of time, will help you kind of like navigate situations and say like, okay, maybe I need to get out here. Maybe this is not the position for me. So again, I'm still up in the position. already. So I mean, I think I'm even though I'm down for the day, right? Because I start the day with a 10K balance. Um, being even, being very close to even is not really that big a deal for me, So um, the longer this chops, the more and more I'm okay with just calling it a day at London High. If we do get a run up here, awesome. That's amazing. I think that's another 100 points. That's another for me in this particular trade would be another $1,500, which is cool. But I'm also cool walking away with the amount here today. So again, if you can, I mean, $1,000 a trade, and you're taking 3 to 4 a week. I mean, that's a very good income. So ready for lunch. So just kind of let that position play out. But I don't feel like staring at this all day, so I'm just gonna let that run, and I'll be in the background. So, guys, I think that was pretty much the L for the trade. With that being said, I mean, it's probably a strong probability that the market's going to run against us for the day. So, if there's an opportunity to take the short, then I may look at that. But either way, I mean, you'll win some, you lose some. I closed out my Friday with a $1,200 ish win, and we kind of just gave it right back. So it is what it is. That's just kind of the nature of the beast here. But if there's an opportunity to take things long again, I might look for it. If not, oh well. We will find ourselves ready for tomorrow. There's going to be a lot of good news and stuff happening next week. So, or later on this week. So, is what it is. All right, guys. Peace.